In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 3, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear next to your device. Select Forget next to connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!